Imagine a world where your note-taking app isn't just a tool, but a cash cow. A place where your ideas, your knowledge, and your organization skills can turn into a steady stream of income. Have you ever wondered how people make money on Notion? How do they turn their digital gardens into financial forests? Notion, once a simple note-taking app, has evolved into a versatile platform for everything from project management to knowledge bases. But how can you leverage its power to generate income? Let's dive in. 1. Selling Notion templates. One of the most popular ways to monetize Notion is by creating and selling templates. These templates can cater to various needs, such as productivity templates, daily planners, task managers, habit trackers, business templates, project management boards, meeting agendas, expense trackers, personal templates, journaling prompts, goal-setting worksheets. How to create and sell templates. Identify your niche. Determine what kind of templates you're passionate about and what you excel at creating. Create high-quality templates. Ensure your templates are well-designed, user-friendly, and offer value to your target audience. Choose a sales platform. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website can be used to sell your templates. Promote your templates. Use social media, email marketing, and online communities to reach potential customers. 2. Offering Notion consulting services. If you're a Notion expert, you can offer consulting services to individuals and businesses. This can involve teaching Notion basics, helping new users understand the platform's features and functionalities, customizing Notion setups, tailoring Notion to specific workflows and needs, building complex databases, creating intricate databases for data management and analysis. How to offer consulting services. Build your expertise. Become proficient in all aspects of Notion, including advanced features and customization options. Create a portfolio. Showcase your previous work and client testimonials to demonstrate your skills. Network with potential clients. Connect with businesses and individuals who might need Notion consulting services. Set your rates. Determine your pricing based on your experience, the complexity of the project, and the value you provide. 3. Creating Notion-based digital products. You can also create digital products based on Notion, such as ebooks. Teach users how to use Notion effectively for specific purposes. Courses. Offer in-depth training on Notion and its applications. Workbooks. Provide structured exercises and templates to help users learn and practice Notion. How to create digital products. Identify your target audience. Determine who would benefit from your product and what their needs are. Create high-quality content. Ensure your product is informative, engaging, and provides value to your audience. Choose a distribution platform. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or your own website can be used to sell your digital products. Promote your products. Use social media, email marketing, and online communities to reach potential customers. 4. Building a Notion community and coaching. If you have a strong following and expertise in Notion, you can build a community around the platform and offer coaching services. This can involve creating a community, host online forums, workshops, or meetups for Notion users, providing coaching, offer one-on-one coaching to help individuals achieve their goals with Notion, selling memberships, provide exclusive content, resources, and support to paying members. How to build a community and offer coaching. Create valuable content. Share your knowledge and insights about Notion through blog posts, videos, or podcasts. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, questions, and feedback from your community. Build relationships. Connect with other Notion enthusiasts and collaborate on projects. Set your rates. Determine your pricing for coaching services and memberships based on the value you provide. Notion offers endless possibilities for monetization. Whether you're a template creator, consultant, digital product developer, or community builder, there's an opportunity for you to turn your Notion skills into a profitable venture. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of Notion monetization today and discover your potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.